What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Ron Kwok here, and in today's video we're checking out what's in my pockets, episode 5. Let's get into it. Let's start off with the essentials. To keep my money carry in check, I'm using the Parliament wallet from Exter. It's got an aluminum body at its core and a unique trigger that allows you to cascade up to 6 cards for easy access. Keeps your sensitive info safe with an RFID blocking body, and it retains a slim form factor. And what really struck me with this one is that it combines modern technology with a vintage feel, wrapping the whole thing up in premium leather in multiple colorways. If you're worried about losing your credentials, Exter has you covered with their tracker card, combined with Chipolo technology that allows you to ping your wallet up to 200 feet away, and to locate the damn thing worldwide using the Chipolo app both on iPhone and Android. They've also recently dropped an aluminum card holder variant in case you want to shed the skin and carry sleek. Either way, it's an aesthetic yet functional piece that's going to be a mainstay in the good old daily arsenal. Big thanks to Exter for sending out these samples for review and for sponsoring this video. Now if that doesn't get you stoked on leather goods, check out this flip out key organizer from Jibbon. Jibin continues to iterate on key carry by developing this sweet snap mechanism to load up your keys. No tools, no coins, just open it up, load up your keys, adjust the tension by hand, snap it shut, and you're off. As you know, I've been using my Orbi key for a while now, and now that I've gotten a chance to properly test out the Jibin Key Organizer, I'm definitely gonna have to do a side-by-side comparison, showing y'all the pros and cons and all the features side by side for your consideration. To add a little extra utility and function to my daily carry, I'm still using the Spyderco Para 3 in Maximet steel. I'm still in love with the flip out actuation of the knife here that's signature to all Spyderco knives with this hole here, and I recently took it to a whetstone to add that extra sharpness to the blade. Gray G10 scales, a matching gray paracord knife fob, and a deep carry clip from Lynchco. I did a whole breakdown on this knife setup. If you want to check that out, I'll go ahead and link that video right here for you. Nobody likes chapped lips, I certainly don't, so I make sure I keep my Smith's lip balm with me at all times, just in case. As a part of my daily kit, doing what I do, I make sure I have a pen and pad with me at all times, just to make sure that I'm prepared whenever inspiration hits. I'm carrying the Leuchtturm 1917 mini notebook. It comes in a variety of formats, but here's a small hack that I found that I want to share with you guys. Choose the dotted grid format. Kind of looks like this. It has dotted grid as opposed to line pages or just clean white pages. If you take notes and do sketches in the same notebook, I highly recommend the dotted grid because it allows you to take notes in a straight and clean manner while at the same time giving you that versatility to do sketches and using the dotted grid for referencing symmetry, proportions, all that stuff. So it's very useful. I'm showing you this new one here, but this is the one I've been using for over a year. It's really battered, but it's mine and I love it. No pockets, no problem. If you're heading to the city on some errands and you're wearing some athletic, casual shorts that just aren't flattering when you have a ton of EDC stuffed in the pockets, I recommend loading everything up into the Black Amber TKS Sling. It's got a front quick access pocket for your smartphone and your keys, and a more comprehensive rear pocket for everything else in your daily carry kit. It's even got a cable pass through from the rear pocket to the front pocket if you want to charge your smartphone on the fly. And did I mention magnets? It's got a fidlock buckle on the strap that gives you that easy quick on, quick off that we know and love. I found that this size sling is perfect for a daily carry loadout, a quick outing into the town, and you just need to strap in without having to overload your pockets unnecessarily. And there's a ton of organization, different compartments for everything, including, you know, small stuff like your keys and your wallet to bigger stuff like the notebook that I just mentioned. So I found that this is pretty useful. And that, my friends, is what's in my pockets this time around. I hope you enjoyed that little gear breakdown and that you got something useful out of it. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button, subscribing if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I release new videos on everyday carry and gear just like this. I hope y'all have a great weekend, continue to live with purpose, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.